whatever it is. Do it. Do it till you're satisfied. People know just what they like to do. Whatever it is, you got it. Long as it pleases you. Make it last as long as you can. And when you're through, it's up to you to try it again. Go on and do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
In late August, animal rights activist Russ Rector sent two colleagues into the seaquarium armed with a camera. They documented a facility in disrepair and gave the tape to the county building official. On Friday, he issued a slew of violations.
But the Marine Life theme park had an alarming number of safety violations. Let's run down the list. There were electrical code violations, more than 100 of them. Crumbling concrete, corroded guardrails, flimsy stairways and viewing decks, even a weak bridge over the shark moat.
After we are done with all of these fixes, after we have brought ourselves up to 2003 code, we will be better than we were before this weekend started.
But we at Channel 10 News are appalled that Seaquarium management let the facility fall into such disrepair. And we're also wondering why Miami-Dade building officials had no clue the place was such a mess. It sounds like it's time to make inspections of facilities like the Seaquarium a regular thing.
Come down and get close to Lolita. If you would like to be picked, once she gets out there, raise your hand. Now, if she picks you, and come down. If she does not pick you, remain seated. This is very important. We don't want to distract Lolita. It's also important to have a whole lot of fun.
Just take a look at what we found underneath all that glitter. Some say it's a disaster waiting to happen. Judge for yourself in a special report next.
You're looking at videotape of the underbelly of Seaquarium's Whale Stadium. Construction jacks spaced every 2 feet or so.
That structure